Here's Decor devotees explore endless design options and reveal the latest trends on our home decor haul channel. From chic accents to cozy comfort, discover how to customize your space. Join our community of decor fans for tips, articles, and transforming space into preserves. Dive into the art of home decor searching. Subscribe, like, and stay updated on our latest drives to make your home your favorite place. Setting up a small restaurant doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, embracing creativity and formal design can help create an inviting atmosphere without straining your budget. Whether you are starting a new business or looking to remodel an exciting space, here are a few expensive kitchen design ideas that combine functionality, luxury, and affordability. Making room is important for a small restaurant. Adopting an open layout with multifunctional features makes it feel more spacious. Consider versatile tables that can be rearranged for different group sizes or folded up for easy storage. Wall-mounted or folding chairs offer flexibility without compromising comfort. Also, using open space for storage or tall gardens not only adds to the interest but also saves floor space. Harnessing natural light can transform the atmosphere of your restaurant. Large windows or strategically placed mirrors can amplify the feeling of openness and brightness. Option for sheer curtain or blinds that allow sunlight to filter through while maintaining privacy. Complement natural lighting with warm, ambient, artificial lighting in our evenings to create a cozy and inviting environment. Embrace sustainability and creativity by using upcycled or repurposed materials for decor and furniture. Consider using reclaimed wood for tables, plates for seating, or refurbished light fixtures. Not only does this add character to your restaurant, but it also reduces cost while promoting an eco-friendly image. A standout features like a signature wall or mural can instantly capture attention and leave a lasting impression. Consider dedicating a wall to a mural created by a local artist or showcase a collection of themed artworks. This focal point not only adds visual interest but also serves as a talking point for customers, enhancing the overall dining experience. Instead of expensive digital displays, opt for a DIY approach to showcase your menu. Use chalkboards, wooden boards, or fonts with changeable prints. This adaptable method allows for easy updates, promotes daily specials, and adds a touch of uniqueness to your restaurant's aesthetics. Get involved by incorporating key elements of the community into your restaurant design. Display items or cups made by local artisans for sales or decoration. Hosting community events or dedicating space dedicated to community events can build customer loyalty and help them feel a sense of belonging. Simplify your kitchen layout for efficiency. Invest in compact yet functional kitchen equipment that fits your menu needs. Ensure appropriate storage solution to minimize clutter and improve productivity. An organized and efficient kitchen not only increases productivity but reduces operating cost in the long run. Introduce lush plants into your dining room to keep the atmosphere fresh and calm. Add indoor plants or create a small indoor garden. Not only do plants purify the air, but they also contribute to a welcoming and relaxing atmosphere. Designing a small restaurant on a budget requires a mix of practicality, creativity, and practicality. By implementing these inexpensive design ideas, you can create an attractive and functional space that delights customers without stretching your budget. Remember, it's not always about the amount of money spent, by the creativity and imagination of the design that really resonates with the diner. Thank you for joining us on this captivating home decor journey. We hope this haul has filled up with inspiration and fresh ideas to transform your living space into heavens of style and comfort. Remember, your home is your canvas. Let your imagination flourish. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest hauls, tips, and tricks to elevate your home decor game. Your support and enthusiasm drive us to continue curating delightful content for you. Share your own decor adventures in the comment below. We'd love to hear about your favorite finds and how you have incorporated them into your homes. Let's keep spreading creativity, making our space beautiful and turning house into homes. Until next time, may your space be filled with joy, warmth, and the charm of your unique style. Happy decorating!